Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so let's see and let's check your person's emotion. Oo, ngayong week na parating. Siyempre, pagdating sa'yo, no? Oo. So, before tayo mag-start, again, kung ayaw mong makinig dito, you can skip the video. Papunta na sa reading. Anyway, okay. If you're interested, pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay? So, yes, we do have protection from evil eye, ring, okay, ring, necklace, and bracelet. So, yung bracelet natin is ganito. Merong adjustable, merong garterized. So, yung garterized, ganyan yung kanyang pendant. So, ganyan siya. Okay. So, ito naman, meron siyang 5 color. Oo. Ng evil eye. Kasi meron silang roll. Okay. Sa pagpaprotect. Oo. Anyway, this is all-in-one evil eye bracelet protection po. No. So, ito yung merong initial. Available siya in red strings. Okay. And, syempre, yung ating 2-in-1. Oo. Bracelet for love and money. Ganyan po. Ha, ganyan siya. Yeah. See? Shining, shimmering, splendid. Oo. So, for love and money. Okay. So, meron siyang citrine. Okay. Citrine stone. So, ayan siya. For, ano po yun ha? For money. Ang ating citrine. So, yeah. For love din, yung citrines, pagdating sa yung mga na-research ko, pwede rin siya sa love. Pero, mas ano siya sa pagdating sa pera. It's like money magnet. Okay? So, pwede mo siyang gamitin for love lang or for money. Pero, pwede rin naman both. Okay? Kung ikaw, lalaki ka, gusto mong mag-avail nito, kasi kita mo naman, di mo masusuot to. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? So, yes. Oo. And again, you have to protect your energy every time na ito yung suot mo. Okay? Kasi nagmamanifesto ng good things, good energies. Kailangan proteksyonan yung iyong energy by using evil eye protection. Okay? So, kung meron kang available na dyan na evil eye protection, gamitin mo. Wag mong imbakin lang sa kung saan. Okay? And, syempre, dapat legit. Okay? And, syempre, yung ating, by the way, ito pala yung ating evil eye necklace. Nalimutan ko. So, ganyan, si evil eye necklace. So, this is unisex, by the way. Meron siyang blue stone doon sa center. Okay? Hindi masyadong makita sa ating camera. Pero, yeah, this is nice in person. Anyway, so, yung ating granter. Si granter necklace is unisex and made to order. Taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. Okay? So, every time nagagamit nito, okay, every time, meron dapat may ganito ka. Evil eye necklace or evil eye ring, evil eye bracelet. So, kung ano man ang evil eye na available sa'yo na protection, gamitin mo. Okay? So, yeah, taga-grant lang po kasi siya and weekly surprises meron siyang ibibigay. Okay, weekly, kahit maliliit lang, meron siyang ibibigay. Hindi ka pawawalan nito ni granter. And, syempre, yung ating pangtanggal, MALAS. Okay po. So, hindi ko sinasabi yung word na yun. Ayaw natin mag-manifest yung word na yun. No? So, yun lang. Oo, pinaka-keyword is pangtanggal alat. No? Ito yun, si cord cut. Kasi tatanggalin natin yung mga hindi na kailangang energy na nakakapit pa sa'yo. Kaya, ikaw itong parang, sabihin nating nabibigatan. Bumibigat yung energy mo dahil lang sa mga yun. Parang nakababa, sa'yo. So, it's like, pangit, no? So, paano nga ba maalis yun? So, ito po. Ito yung aking way. Okay? So, siya. Si cord cutting. Pang-alis, MALAS. Pang-alis alat. Mga ganyang bagay ba? No? So, yes. Okay, so let's start the reading. So again, kung may tanong, message lang po sa akin pong FB page for more info. And wag po sa comment section. Okay? Baka mamaya mag-reply sa inyo is scammer. Okay? Ayaw natin. So air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Let's see your person's emotion this coming week for you. So who is this? Who is this? Who is this person? Anong meron sa kanya para malaman mo na siya to na binabasa natin? The Page of Wands. Somebody na pwedeng younger. Mas bata. Could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. Wag tayong masyadong mag-focus sa sinasabi ko na zodiac sign. This could be any sign anyway. Some of them, they're sabihin nating may pagka-joker. Oo, funny. May ganong energy siya, ha? So, Page of Wands. Justice. Could be a Libra. We have here the Four of Wands. Some of you, pwedeng nakakasama mo lang to, no? Pwedeng katrabaho mo. Pwedeng sabihin nating nakukuha niya yung interest mo. This is someone new, I think. Pwedeng nakakasama mo sa iisang lugar. Okay? Pwedeng nakakasama mo siya. Marunong siya makinig, actually. Marunong siya makinig. Marunong siya magbigay ng payo. May pagka, sabihin nating, ma-flirt. Or talagang funny lang yung person. Okay? Could be babae, lalaki, kung naman ang gender niya. Excuse me. Some of them, bukas ang isip nila sa pagbibusiness. Hindi po lahat, ha. Pwede yung ma-resonate. Oo. So, sabihin natin yun lang. Pwedeng nakaka-resonate lang kayo sa mas bata sa inyo or what. Funny siya. Pero hindi naman siya into business. Then, huwag niyong kukunin yun. Hindi naman kasi lahat totally. No? Okay. So, let's see. Ano emosyon nito ngayon? Ano emosyon niya sa'yo? Tingnan lang natin. Check natin. Chariot in reversed. Some of you. Okay, anyway. The Chariot in reversed and the Tower. Playing safe. Yeah. The Nine of Wands. This person is playing safe, I guess. They like you. If this is a new person, they like you. Okay? Hindi lang siya talaga makagawa ng sabihin nating yung totoong intention niya, hindi niya maipakita. Some of them kasi parang they're like not ready. Okay? Parang nakikigo with the flow lang sa'yo muna itong taong to. Parang kinukuha lang muna niya yung tiwala mo, mga ganyan. Yung loob mo, parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, this person likes you. They like you. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Yun nga lang, yung intention nito, hindi pa niya kayang i-open up. Or hindi pa niya kayang sabihin, hindi pa niya kayang ipakita. The emotion. Ganun rin. So, makikita mo sa kanya, masyado siyang, sabihin nating, weird. Okay? May pagka-weird siyang ipapakita sa'yo. Oo, ngayong week. Bakit kaya ganito siya sa akin? Mga ganong bagay. Like unusual. Unusual. Okay? So, pwedeng magbibigay sa'yo ng mixed signals itong taong to. Next week. Okay? This coming week. Yeah, this person likes you. They like you. Four of Wands in reverse. Ace of Swords in reverse. Yeah, you're in their mind. Okay, so interested si person, they're open for you. Anyway, so we have here fire, Scorpio, Cancer, Libra, and fire. Another fire. So what else? Kuha tayo ng tig-dalawang energy. Air signs. So who's this person? Let's see their emotion for you this coming week. So sino to? Okay. Judgment. Could be Scorpio. The Nine of Cups. So, they see you as their wish fulfillment. They want connection with you. Some of you, itong taong to, laging gusto niya nakikita ka, nakakausap, nakakasama. Yeah, the Queen of Cups, nababaitan sa'yo itong taong to, or pwedeng ikaw sa kanya. Parang ganyan. Okay? Some of you, this is a past person's energy. Pwedeng single ka na from them. Single, oo. Yeah, the 7 of Cups universe. So, may chance na pwedeng itong taong to is a past person, an ex, na pwedeng nakikipagbalikan sa ngayon. Okay, kunin lang po ang energy. Hindi lahat pwedeng ma-resonate, okay? Pero kung nagre-resonate lahat, why not? Choke not, diba? So, the sun. Gusto ng taong to, like, nakikita. Namamagnet. Oh, like, parang gusto niya palagi malapit sa'yo, parang ganyan. Pwedeng nakakita ka ng kung ano mang something like gestures, signs na they're really into you. Ito yung taong yan. May mga signs siyang pinapakita. I think this person is too obvious na they like you. Could be an ex or a new person. Let's see. Anong emotion ito for you? Emotion. Okay, yeah, the Page of Cups. They really, really, really like you. They're in their emotion. There's a lot of cups here. A lot. What's with that Page of Cups? Okay, the 7 of Swords. May chance po na sabi ng totoong nararamdaman itong taong to by next week. Okay? Marami siyang ipapakita, marami siyang ipaparamdam sa'yo. Some of them, they will give you small gifts, like presents, mga ganyan. Okay? Ayaw nito na madidisappoint ka. The Knight of Wands is here. They will pursue you, something like that. Okay? They will offer you something like a date, or punta tayo sa ganito, sa ganyan. May bibigay sa'yo something. Mga ganyan. So, for me, emotionally, emotion niya pagdating sa iyo, they like you, they're really into you, gusto niyang magpakita, no? Parang sabihin nating maging upfront pagdating sa emotion niya. Pwede sabihin nating itong taong to is mag-open up sa iyo by next week. Mag-open up siya. The King of Pentacles universe, the Devil universe. So it's like, okay, bahala na. Parang ganyan. So, sabihin natin hindi man ito like solid, or hindi man siya like handa, no, sa mga pwedeng mangyari if ever, pero yes, handa siya na ipakita yung totoo niyang intention or emotion for you by next week. Okay? Yes. So, sandali lang po, ha? Okay, so next is fire signs. So, fire signs, let's see your person's emotion this coming week for you. Okay, so sino ba ite? Sino tong taong to? Sino itong taong ito? Anong meron sa kanya? Description, tingnan natin. Para alam mo na siya to. Fire signs. Okay. 4 of Swords universe. Nagkaroon kayo ng no contact, pero ngayon some of you magkausap na kayo. Okay? The Emperor universe. The Great Pretender. Anyway, so itong taong to magaling magsalita, no? Magaling magmanipula. The 7 of Swords. May energy siya na may pagka-liar, sneaky, deceptive. Yeah, the 3 of Swords. Ooh! Some of you, fire sign specific. Okay, ang nakikita ko dito. Ito yung taong hindi mo kayang kalimutan at iwan. Okay? So, yun yun. Kasi some of you see this person as your other half, or your sabihin nating divine counterpart. Yeah. What's with this Emperor in reversed? Yung iba sa kanila, hindi sila marunong tumupad sa usapan. Hindi sila marunong maging responsible, I think. They don't know how. Yeah, the King of Swords, the liar. Some of you could have a legal issue with this person. In general, napakasinungaling, or sabihin natin hindi talaga marunong tumupad itong taong to. Some of them kasi they could be afraid lang na umako, no, sa mga responsibilidad, mga ganyang bagay. Pwedeng mayroon na kayong anak nitong taong to, or may responsibilidad siya sa'yo. Let's see. Magaling to sabihin nating mag-reach out, pero kung ano man yung mapapag-usapan, pwedeng hindi rin naman matutupad. So let's see, what is their emotion right now for you, fire signs? The Knight of Swords, the Ten of Swords, the Three of Swords in reversed. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles. Itong taong to, dito pa lang marami na ako sinabi. Pwedeng ganun din yun nandito. Emosyon nitong taong to, paasahin ka. Gusto niyang paasahin ka. Sabihin natin ginagawa niya yun, yung pagpapaasa effect. Para sabihin natin yung connection ninyo is hindi totally mag-end. Okay? May paasa. Paasa yarn. Ano tong Ten of Swords? What's with this Ten of Swords? The Hermit in reverse. Pwede kasing itong taong to nakokonsensya rin, no? Every time na hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng connection or communication or reconnection, if ever, hindi kayo nag-uusap, ayaw niya nun. Kasi parang mas nakukonsensya siya. Yung parang totally blackout. Ayaw niya ng ganun. Parang, yeah, gusto ko kahit papano, meron akong nasasabi sa kanya, kahit sabihin natin hindi ko naman din ginagawa. Basta meron akong naipapakita sa kanya, meron akong naipapangako. Parang ganun. It's like paasa nga. No? Paasa. Justice in reversed. Imbalance. Untrue. Wala pa rin pong nafi-fix. Sa totoo lang. Gusto lang nito na maipakita sa'yo na okay, meron akong ginagawa. Pero this is bare minimum. Just bare minimum. Sa tingin ko, pinoprotektahan lang din ito yung sarili niya na makonsensya sa mga ginawa niya. So, wag kayong aasa na sila ay pwedeng gumawa ng magandang action towards you kasi nakikita nyo ng bare minimum. Okay? Ng action, kuno. I'm sorry, pero yeah, I have to say it. So, what else? Fire signs. What else? So, who's this person? Who is this? Sino ito? The Hanged Man. Could be Pisces. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Hanged Man. You're thinking na magkaroon ng pagkakaayos or magkaroon ng sabihin nating pagbabalikan. Pwedeng hindi pa rin ito naalis sa utak mo, itong taong to. Gusto mo pa rin ng magkaayos kayo. Or siya. Yeah, the world. Some of you could be, nasa LDR. Okay? Or sabihin natin may nag-end lang sa inyong dalawa, kaya gusto niyo makipag-ayos, gusto niyo makipagbalikan. Another energy about reconciliation or Gusto niya ng forgiveness. Okay? You're waiting for them. Some of you, you're waiting for them na magsabi ng sorry sa'yo. Yes. So, what is their emotion right now? You're in their head, actually. You're in their head. Ano emosyon nitong taong to ngayon sa'yo? Fire signs. Ten of Wands in reverse. Oh, feeling niya, dinrap mo na siya. Dinrap. Like, wala ka nang pakialam. Feeling niya, nag-surrender ka na sa kanya. Wala nang pag-asa to. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Feeling niya talaga, kinat off mo na siya. I don't know why. Maybe they see you somebody na pwedeng interested ka na sa new energies or what. Pero feeling ng taong to, dinadrop mo na sila, kinakat off mo na sila. Some of you, you're detached, cold sa kanya, sa ngayon. They're in their head, conflicted, stress, si person. Okay? So, yeah. There's no energy of reconciliation. Parang tingin niya, oh no, wala na atang pag-asa kay fire sign. Parang ganyan. Okay? So there, kung ikaw nakikita nito na nagbibigay ka ng attention sa iba, nagseselos to. Babae, lalaki ko naman ang gender niya. Okay? So there, gusto niya makipag-ayos eh. Yeah. So next, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see your person's emotion this coming week. Your person's emotion this coming week for you, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Who is this? Who is this person? Oh, some of you, this is your new love interest. A new love interest, Days of Cups. New love interest. Pero hindi siya nagpapakita ng nervousness, hindi siya I'm sorry. Hindi siya nagpapakita ng aligaga siya. Pero yeah, I think some of you, this is your new love interest, or pwedeng ikaw yung kanyang new love interest. Yeah, the sun is here. They want you actually. Yeah, they want you. So let's see. Anong emosyon niya? New love ito. Okay. So ano ang emosyon niya this coming week for you, water signs? The Seven of Swords in reverse. Curious. They're curious. Gusto nitong malaman kung anong meron pa sa'yo. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Some of them, makikita mo or mapapansin mo, lagi silang gusto nilang makipag-usap. Yan. Okay? Always wanting to see you, to be near you. Parang ganyan. Pero hindi sila magpapahalata na they're in love. Actually, this person is in love. Yeah, the moon. The moon, the sun. Okay? So, you're in their head, curious, interested itong taong to. Yeah. Andyan yung parang gagawa siya ng paraan para makilala ka pa. Yeah, they're interested into you. Okay, yeah. The Fool. Some of them, they will catch your attention. They will get. Okay? They want to get your attention. They want you. They're into you. Physically attracted itong taong to. Okay? So, yeah. Yun lang. This is a new person. So, what else? What else? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Okay. Water signs. So, who is this? Who is this? The moon in reverse. Could be a fellow water sign. Pisces. The Fool in reversed. They're acting weird. Nonchalant, some of them. Acting avoidant. Detached. Okay. The Devil. Pisces, Aries. Anong meron pa sa kanya? Emotionally, hindi mo makikitaan to ng transparency, I think. Yeah, may pagka-nonchalant yung person. Like, ang weird. Some of them, they're like a loner. A homebody. Yeah, the King of Cups in reverse. Hindi mo makikitaan na emosyon to. Emotionally, sabihin nating binablock niya talaga, or sabihin natin parang hindi nagpapakita ng interest. Okay? Self-centered. Yan. Shy type, parang may ganyan. Some of them, wala silang kakonek. They're single. Let's see. Some of you, to a channeled message. May chance na itong taong to is wala pang nakakarelasyon. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Kaya nakuha lang akong ganong energy. Let's see. Anong emosyon niya for you? Anong emosyon niya? Ten of Wands. Why? No. Two of Cups. This person loves you. They like you, actually. So, meron silang gustong sabihin, like sabihin natin yung mga gusto niyang ipahayag is sasabog na. Parang ganyan. Maybe they don't know how kasi yun nga, some of you, this person, this is like their first time na mag-approach, mag-open up if ever. Shy type, some of them. They're into you. They like you. This is mutual, I think. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng hindi kayo totally nagkakaroon ng interaction, no, ng taong to. So, hanggat hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng interaction, then, pabigat ng pabigat yung situation. It's like, sasabog. Marami itong gustong sabihin sa'yo, sa totoo lang. Marami na. Okay? They're being impatient. Naghihintay itong taong to, parang ganyan. Some of them kasi they're like planning. Okay, planning. Yun nga lang, sobrang pagpaplano ng taong to, masyado nang humahaba, masyado nang lumalalim. Okay? Masyado nang nagiging strong itong connection. Yeah, the Five of Swords. See, the Five of Swords is somebody who is stressed. Okay? They're in their head, they're in their emotion for you. The Three of Swords in reversed. I think, hindi ko naman nakikitaan itong taong to ng pagka-red flag. Masyado lang talaga silang takot. Okay? Some of them is masyado lang ding hindi handa. Hindi sila sanay na mag-approach, some of them. Pero they like you. You're in their head, you're in their emotion. They're in their emotion. And gusto na nitong magkaroon kayo ng connection or interaction man lang para may, sabihin nating maalis, no? Oo, maalis yung pagkaka-stuck. Kasi parang meron, like glass sa pagitan ninyo. Gusto nyo yung maalis. Parang ganon. Okay? So, yeah. Anyway. So, next. Okay, Earth signs. Okay. So, hi. Oh, hi, Lucky. Diba? Siya si Lucky. Anyway, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, let's see Earth signs. Your person's emotion this coming week for you. So, who is this? Who is this? Anong emosyon? Anong meron? Anong meron sa kanya muna? Sino to? Oh, the sun. Could be Leo. There's something significant around summertime, if ever. About them, maybe. What's with the sun? The Knight of Swords. Okay. So, itong taong to, palaging present. Palaging available sa'yo. Okay? Hindi ka hihindian ito. Yes, hindi ka hihindian. Lagi yung on the go. See, the Magician. Lagi yung prepared for you. Yeah. Lagi yung prepared. Para siyang Boy Scout, Girl Scout. Pagdating sa'yo. Okay, laging on the go. For the go ang person. O, diba? So, let's see. Leo and air sign. Oo. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Gusto lagi nitong makausap ka. Actually. Gusto ka laging makasama, makita, puntahan. Parang ganyan. This could be any sign po, ha? Okay. So, what is your emotion for you, earth signs? Okay. Some of them, ha? Lagi silang nagmamadali. Lagi silang nagmamadali. I don't know why. Let's see. What is your emotion for you? The Knight of Wands, universe. This is flirt. They want to play. Yung energy dito is flirt, flirt, flirt. Sex. Okay, they're into you physically. Okay, what's with that Knight of Wands, universe? Yeah. Oh, the Six of Cups. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. They want to build connection. Like deep connection with you. They want. Okay, they want you. Nakikita ka nila na parang sobrang parang ka-vibes kanya, ka-vibe. No, the sun is here. The Ace of Wands, this is physical. Okay, they want intimacy with you, some of them. Okay. The Queen and the King of Pentacles, both in reversed. The King of Wands, I don't know if there's this something. Okay. I don't know, kasi some of them, pwedeng they see a strong connection with you, pero hindi pa open, hindi pa ready. I don't know why. I don't know how. Okay. They miss you. Lagi ka namimiss ng taong to. Some of them, kung meron na kayong nagawang chararat, they miss everything. Okay? Oo. Yeah, the Three of Wands. There's a lot of expectations. You're in their head every day, every night. Okay, every minute, every second. Okay, they're into you. Actually, they're into you. Kung sino man yun. Okay. Next. What else? Okay, last. Who is this earth sign? So, ano bang meron sa person mo? Tingnan natin, check natin yung emosyon niya. Pagdating sa'yo, syempre, alangan namang sa akin. Tingnan natin. Okay. Oo. So, sino ito? Earth sign. Sino ite? Yes. Oo. So, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them, they have money issue. Okay, merong money issue, commitment issue, yan, mga ganyan. What's with this Ten of Pentacles in reverse? Okay, the Ten of Swords. So, may nangyaring ending. Some of you, pwedeng mag-asawa kayo ng taong to. Okay, may sana wala. Oh, ano po yan? This is third party energy for me. Okay. For some of them, they have insecurities. Okay? So, may nangyaring ending. Some of you, niloko ka nito sa pera. Ginamit ka. Mga ganyang bagay. Ha? So, tingnan natin. Anong emosyon niya ngayon sa'yo, earth sign? Anong emosyon niya ngayon sa'yo? The moon. Conscientia. The Three of Pentacles. So, may energy ng third party involvement here. No communication involved. Okay, somebody is moving on, I think. Yeah, moving on. This is like ego and pride. That is why. So, their emotion for you, parang wala nang pinatutunguhan. Or sabihin nating, nawawala siya. Okay, they're sad actually. They're sad. Andyan yung nakukonsensya sila na pwedeng hindi kasi sila nagkaroon ng maganda or fairness na nangyari. Walang fairness na nangyari sa connection. Nandyan yung pagloloko. Alam nila yon, nakukonsensya sila. Okay. Lahat ng nangyayari sa kanya ngayon, earth sign, ha? Ito, maiinis ka dito. Magsisimula ka ng hindi manood sa akin. Lahat ng nangyayari sa kanya, isinisisi niya sa'yo. Yes. I don't know why. I don't know how. Pero isinisisi niya sa'yo. Bakit? Kasi hindi sila makapag-focus ngayon. Kung may nangyaring ending sa inyo, lalo na kung ikaw yung nakipaghiwalay, sinisisi niya yun sa'yo. Okay? Kasi wala na si earth sign eh. Kaya ako ganito eh. Wala tuloy akong pera, wala tuloy akong pwedeng mahingian. Wala ka na kasi, earth sign. This is personal. I think. Not for all. I'm channeling. Okay? Some of you, ito specific. May nagtatago, no? Na hindi nagbabayad sa'yo, earth sign. Oo. Ano lang yun? Side message. Oo, side message. Hindi nila alam kung paano ka babayaran eh. Okay. Yeah, the Page of Wands. Some of them, they're younger. Gusto nito na magkaroon ulit ng pagkakataon with you. Andun nga lang yung hatred, nandun nga lang yung sitwasyong hindi maganda, pero gusto niya ng panunumbalik with you, pero yes, this is like in and out. In and out. Kasi gamitan eh. Ang nakuha ko dito, ginagamit ka niya, I think. Ginamit ka nito. Yeah, you're the Empress. They're the Page. There's this big gap. Big differences could be. Sa energy, maybe. Sa status mo, siguro. Finance, whatsoever. They need you, pero hindi naman sila totally parang planado, no? Hindi sila planado. Gusto lang nila ng okay, makita ka lang muli, parang ganyan, makausap, parang ganyan, pero nandun yung hatred, nandun yung lahat ng issue. So, bakit pa? 'Di ba? Para tong batong ibubukpok mo na naman sa ulo mo, earth sign. So, wag na. Waste of time. Waste of money. Waste of energy. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yun pong ating second YouTube channel niya. Don't forget. Oo, na-follow rin. Okay? Nasa description box below. Love letter. So, yun po. And yeah, again, thank you. Goodbye.